Hi everyone, hope you guys are doing great. I'm gonna go play in the rocks today and I thought I'd take you guys with me. Well, I was up in the rocks a few days ago. I found mortar holes. And if you guys remember when I was at Oliver Lee, they had they were created, they were created by the Native Americans. I guess it was thousands of years ago. They would grind their beans and seeds into flour, and over centuries it created these deep holes, and they called them Indian wells, but actually they are mortar holes. Well, I found some here, and there is a sign that kind of points you up here, but you don't know where, so that's kind of like half the fun, is trying to find these when you're going through the rocks. So let me get my stuff together and we'll go up there and go looking for them. It's kind of fun. How I was saying the kids made a lot of noise up in the rocks, forget it. Over the weekend, it was like adults, grown-ups. Once you get up in those rocks, you're a little kid. So it's pretty cool. So let me get my stuff together and we'll go up there. Okay, here we go. I haven't actually found the wells coming from my campsite. I've actually found them every time coming from a different direction. But I'm sure I can find them again. It's just a longer walk to get there. Okay. So kind of enjoy the rocks while we're in them. Let's see a way through that way. Let's go up here. You can't get lost in here because the campground, all the campsites are around the edge of it, so you come out. Ooh, that's pretty. You come out at somebody's campsite no matter which direction you go in, so go. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Don't fall. Oops, I don't fall. There's some pretties among the rocks. I feel like a mountain goat. Okay, I know where I am now. Get over here on the other side of these rocks. So here's an example. Yeah, we're close to the Indian Wells. That is right there. That's a comfort station, showers, and visitor center. So you see, you run into campgrounds no matter what. I want to go this direction. And yeah, this looks familiar. So I ran across some people earlier that were from northern New Mexico. They told me these are live oaks. That's interesting. Okay, now I start looking. This way. It's over this direction. Oh, there we go. A little bit of a trail here. I'm almost there. Okay, yay, I found it. This has been my favorite place here at the park that I like to come to every day and just stop and think. Sit here and think. Kind of broke through. Shadow all of this. There's one. There's four altogether. Here's another. And then here's one right here. A little one. And this actually looks like one that could have been someday. It was started. But yeah, that's so cool. So yeah, they would bring their, well, acorns from live oaks, any seeds or beans they had, and they would just grind with a pestle grind it into the stone, break it up into flour. It was so cool. But what gets me about this particular spot is the view. You know, without the windmill and the vault toilet and cars. But just look at that. It makes me think thousands of years ago, Native American women, ladies would sit here and grind seeds and things into flour, and they would sit here and they would see this. So I do wonder why they picked this particular spot. The ladies like to sit up here and look at the view as they worked. Or was it just their campground, their home was down below there and they could keep an eye on things? Maybe it was security reasons, you know. You can see for miles, you can see people coming for miles. So maybe that was it. I don't know, what do you guys think? I don't know, when you see these views every day, is it still beautiful to you, or is it just, you know, you just don't even look at it anymore? I'm wondering if they even noticed that. this is their life. They lived outside. They were constantly living in the elements. So what we see is beautiful. Maybe was something else to them. I'd be interested to know what you guys think. I don't know, it just makes you wonder. And I think of the women sitting here working and talking amongst themselves and gossiping and just laughing. Thousands of years ago. You know they did. You know they were sitting here doing just this. Anyway, I like to think about those kind of things. And times are simpler, but harder, at the same time. You know what I mean? Those were some hardy women. And children and men, yeah. There's another mortar hole over here, and they call them Indian wells too. The water would fill these up, and so they got the name Indian wells after the rain, but really they had a purpose other than that. Okay. Anyway, I found another one over here the other day, away from these others. Couldn't quite figure out why it was away from the others. I thought maybe blocking the wind or something, but when I was sitting there, the wind was blowing just fine right through it. But yeah, here's another. This is a pretty deep one. And still, this is a nice view too. I wonder if they had like a little campsite set up over here in the rocks. Can you just imagine the children playing through these rocks like they do now? Of course, they probably more viewed it as protection against the elements and danger, maybe. But you got to know that little kids are playing in it. You got to know it. Hiding from mom. Anyway, this is what gets me, and this is why I can find this spot. It's because of this. This whole boulder is being held up by like nothing. Nothing. 3 little points on it. Wow. How did that happen? Pretty cool. Okay. Now we're going back. That wasn't too hard. Better look at that hill over there. Saw from the trail. Somebody told me what it was called, and I don't remember now. Look how those stones, these rocks go in a perfect line across there. It's so cool. I think there's more at the top. Okay. Okay, I am pretty sure that gap in there will get me to my campsite. But I can't go that way. Let's see what we got. Let's look at it. It's my last time up here, I think. I'll be heading out. miss this place. I really am. Let's see. Sorry, bumpy ride here, folks. Okay, we did it. Yay. Yep. There we go. There's my campsite. Well, I'm going to let you guys go for now. I hope you enjoyed the little tour of the Indian Wells and the City of Rocks. Y'all take care, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.